Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss how to collect and manage track feedback in Instruqt. Track feedback allows users to share their thoughts, report issues, and help you refine their experience. Users can provide feedback on Instruqt tracks by rating their experience on a scale from very unhappy to very happy. After providing a rating, it's also possible to add written feedback. By default, users will see the feedback option at the end of the track once they've completed all the challenges. But if you'd rather let them share feedback anytime, you can enable a persistent feedback tab. Let's configure a track's feedback using the Instruqt web UI. Select the track you want to configure. In the Settings section, click Edit and then the Additional Settings tab. Scroll down to the Track Feedback section. We see two options. Toggle the After User Completes All Challenges button to enable feedback at the end of the track. Toggle the During Any Challenge button to enable a persistent feedback tab to be displayed during all challenges. It's also possible to toggle both options to Off in order to disable feedback for the track entirely. For this example, we'll leave both options on. Click Save. If we play our track, there it is. We see the Persistent Feedback tab appear, and we can rate our track and leave feedback. We can also click to update our feedback at any time. After completing all of the challenges in the track, we are now given the option to leave feedback again. Great job! Let's look at how to do this using the Instruqt CLI. Log in with Instruqt Auth Login and select your team. Let's bring up the track we're working on by typing cd track-feedback. Open the track.yaml file of the track you want to configure. Under the Lab Config section, set Feedback tab enabled to true if you want to enable the Persistent Feedback tab displayed during all challenges, and set Feedback Recap enabled to true to enable feedback at the end of the track. Control or Command S to save our work. Now back in our terminal, we'll type Instruqt track push. Great job! To view all of the feedback provided for this track, scroll down to the Statistics tab and click on the happiness score. Here we can see how many users left ratings and their feedback below. For more information about track feedback, head to our documentation page.